stick. Oh, give me that mitten. Where you go with the mitten, Benjamin? Get that mitten, Benjamin. Give me that mitten, Benjamin. Give me that mitten, Benjamin. Give me that mitten, Benjamin. Now I'm going to whistle for Sunshine. Sunshine! Good girl! Hey! Good girl! Sunshine! Good girl! Hey, she doesn't want the mitten. You're such a jerk, you old man. Good girl! Bye, Sunshine! Come here, Sunshine! Good girl, you want a treat? Yeah, come here. Hey. Sorry, they're stuck in my pocket. Good girl. Good girl. Good boy. You can have some treats too. I know. Go get Nate. And there she goes. Hey, Benjamin. Can I have my mitten? Give me that mitten. Give me that mitten. You're crazy. Say goodbye, Benjamin. Say goodbye, Benjamin. Ready? Who's out there? Do you see him? Do you see him? Get him. You watch him, Benjamin. Are they out there? Who's coming? Do you see him? All right, you ready? Want to keep going? All right, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Good boy. You're a good boy. Let's see if we can get Sunshine to come back one more time.